Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to HTV Creative. Now in this video, we're still under the editing scene and we're going to talk about these guys up top here and we're going to work from left to right. Here we go. First we have this guy called canvas size. Now with canvas size, you can switch the background size and these are the common cutting board size currently that is on the market. So you can switch the most suitable background size through canvas size. Now, if you're not really happy about these options here, well, you can also manually edit the background size from here. All you have to do is type in a number, a second number, and choose the unit in millimeters or in inches. Moving on to these two little guys here. Now, everybody makes mistakes. Let's say you made a mistake during the process, and you can use these two return keys to restore. Next, we have save. After the work is completed, you can use the save key to save, and of course, the system will automatically save it for you to prevent unexpected exit without saving. Now, if you click on it, it will show in the save, then save successfully. Next, we have download. After confirming the save, the next step is to download and obtain the image. You can select the entire template to download or download it in layers. The download file will be in PNG. The system will automatically name the template with the actual size of the template, which I think is very convenient for the size check when the template is ready to cut by the cutting machine. And the download file will be automatically packed together, named layered template for each layer size, then linked to the cutting machine for uploading and cutting. And next, we have preview. Now with preview, it allows you to see what does it look like to use this template on different stuff, such as hoodies. And we have already added some common scenes here, such as hoodies, canvas bags, and etc. You can add design templates to different scenes in advance for special effects. Moving on to the next one, we have share. You can always share your work with your friends at any time. Click on share. So your work can be seen on Facebook with your friends or on Pinterest. Moving on to the next one, we have custom template size. So that means you can adjust the template size. If you click on it, and this guy will pop out, and you can manually adjust the size of the template. It's the same thing with the canvas size settings. And remember to click Modified to complete the modification. And next, we have a magic wand here, and it's called Material. Here is the preset different material effect. If you click on it, and this template will be using this specific material. You can choose any materials to apply so it can help you preview the effect after application in advance. Not only it can show you what does it look like, but also it can prevent your materials from wasting. Moving on to the next one, we have a color section. Now with preset color, it's the same thing with material. You can choose any color to apply so you can see what does it look like in this color. And that was all for the images layers. Now you can also apply to the similar effects onto a text layers. First you gotta add a text layer here, or you can click on the text layers that you've already have. Now if you click on the text layers, these guys will pop out. And first we have a color section, the same thing with the images. You can choose any color to apply, and it's going to give you a preview of the color that you're about to use. And next we have fonts. The text in the template or the newly inserted text can be changed to different fonts. And here is a list of more than 300 different fonts we have listed for you to choose from. Now when you decided to choose the fonts, and all you have to do is click on it and it will apply to the text layers. And also you can adjust the text size. All you have to do is click these two little arrows here, or you can click on the number and you can choose it from here. Moving on to the next one, the text layers can also be italicized, underlined, or bolded. And next we have distribution. Here you can adjust the alignment for the text. And next we have spacing. Now of course there's space among the top, bottom, left and right of the text, which can be easily adjusted using spacing. All you have to do is select the text layers and click on spacing. Left click and hold the dot or this dot and drag it into the place that you want this dot to be. Easy as that. Now here we've also got a magic wand for the text layers, which means different materials effects are preset here. You can choose any materials to apply, so it can help you to preview the effect after application in advance. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next time.